I've been thinking about what I will say to you on Valentine's Day, our year anniversary. And I'm not usually one totally lost for words. I'm a bit of a scribe. I'm always writing stuff. This last week I found it really difficult finding words, and so I thought I'd make you a little video just to see what words come up. And so the words are these. I really love you. You mean the world to me, sweetheart. I'm sorry I'm not a perfect person all the time. I'm sorry that I get moody and angry about you being a messy bastard. I know you don't do it meaningfully. It's just you. But, you know, I think you're a wonderful girl. And I love your company. And actually, I wouldn't change you for the world. You're my Valentine. You'll always be my Valentine. And you're very beautiful. You've got such beautiful eyes, such a crazy mouth. It just yaps away and sings like crazy and smiles lots. And I want to be around you. And I want you to be around me. Because I like your influence, and I want to be a good influence on you. So sweetheart, happy Valentine's Day. And I love you like crazy.